Let's DIY one of these chunky wood bunnies from the Dollar Tree. I had the idea to cover it with seashells, of course. Now, I'm going to use the seashells from Amazon. I get these in bulk. They are very inexpensive. They're just as cheap as the ones that were in the little glass bottles, like that from the Dollar Tree. Now, to glue these on, I'm using tacky glue from the Dollar Tree, and I am putting a thick coat all over the outside of the bunny. This is going to dry clear and it's super strong. The shells will definitely stay in place. But you have to make sure that you have plenty on there. Now it's time for the seashells. I'm going to just start adding them all over. Now, this is the bunny that stands up from the Dollar Tree. This year I noticed they made another one that like kind of crouches down a little bit. It's really cute. You can do a variety of different poses with them. I like that. And this would look really cute on that one too. So I'm just taking the little tiny seashells. I want variety, but I'm kind of picking out the larger ones because I wanted the smaller ones to do shell encrusting for this bunny. And I'm just adding them all over, making sure all of the bunny's covered. Now, when that tacky glue dries clear, you will be able to see the wood again, which makes it really pretty too. And again, this is going to be very secure. I also did the chunky wood Easter egg from the Dollar Tree, and I did that one with the Dollar Tree sea glass. That turned out really cute. I used the Amazon shells for this one because I know the little seashells in the glass bottles like that from the Dollar Tree, I haven't been able to find them at my Dollar Tree in a long time. So I let it dry, and this is how it's set up. My shell encrusted Easter bunny. Isn't he so sweet for Easter?